Yes, sir. This is our zipper cone forming machine. The model number is QLQ-CFM. Now please check the process of this machine. There are two poppings here. It's for monofilament, and these two bobbins are for central core. And you can see the zipper cone is coming outside from this part. Okay, please check. This model is with a lamp. You can see on the back side there's a lamp, and with the protective cover. When we open this cover, you can see machine will stop automatically. This cover can protect humans from touching the spare parts inside. The output of this machine is around 4 meters of 1 minute. It's for number 5 zipper. Yes, sir, if you are interested with this machine, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.